Good afternoon, Catalyst Church. It is Tuesday, October 18th, and in case you didn't know it, today is our church's official 13th anniversary. And I'm coming to you today with some exciting news on that anniversary. My name is Holly Halter. I'm the Director of Kids Ministry here. And today we are transitioning a little bit, and I am giving half of that role over to Amy McMahon. I am still going to be in charge of elementary, church on Sundays, and big outreach events, but Amy is taking over preschool and nursery direction, and she's also taking over volunteer coordination. We'll work together on lots of different activities and family discipleship, but it just allows us to divide and conquer and to spend a little bit more time getting to know our families.
Hi everyone, I look forward to meeting you all in the coming weeks. I'll be back here at the children's area most of the time. Just to give you a little background about myself, I was part of the original launch team back in 2009 for Catalyst Church, and I am a certified teacher in both elementary education and special education with a master's in reading. And my husband, Bill, is currently an elder on staff. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.